National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 689, effective until 11 p.m. or midnight Sunday. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Edwards, Uintah and White, and the following counties in Indiana: Cubis, Gibson, Perry, Pike, Halsey, Spencer, Vanderbrook, and Ward, and the following counties in Kentucky: Henderson and Union. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the wash area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to No Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.